Ron. So I actually wanted to make this video for myself. Probably I won't be posting it. Some inspirational music. Um. Uh. 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 This will distract me. So, when I was young, I in my I think I was in my that was my teenage years or something. I had seen this movie Rocky Balboa, not Rocky Balboa, Rocky 3 I think, or Rocky 2, something like that. Somewhere in the years, I don't even recall, man. 99, 2000 or something. Like way back, man. It's 2020, so almost 20 years. So I was really young. I was, yeah, that's quite a long back. So I think I was a student back then in school. Yeah, that really motivated my ass. I was super excited with uh, how a personal could be emotionally so vulnerable, and at the same time he could really be so fit, strong. I look up to Sylvester Stallone. One of my life icons, if I may say, man. Like the movie Rocky Balboa. I mean, all not the movie Rocky Balboa. So Rocky Balboa is one of the movies of the entire Rocky list. So the entire series of the Rocky movies have been like kind of a motivational thing for me, and I really look up to him because I want to. I mean, I saw quite a lot of myself in that particular character, Rocky. Who was very emotional. Oh God, yeah, who was really emotional, who would be at the same time but very strong. So I would like in my room or in my house, I would just like kind of shadow box and practice this uh, all uppercut, this, that, and all those things. Technically, I have never learned or I mean got a training for boxing or anything. It was just looking at videos. Back then YouTube was not so famous, so I would actually I still have a CD. I have a CD of Rocky 3 and Rocky 4, so I would like particularly that training. I would see that training montage and kind of yeah, ta ta ta, that's like an anthem. So yeah, um today's 2020, this is 16th of April 9:45. mm, I want this for myself and not for anybody else, because I've always believed that if you can be healthy, if you are physically healthy, you have an option to do anything you want, man. You can just I mean, you can do anything you want. You can work yourself, and it's not just for the looks, not just for the visual aspect of it, but more for the physical and mind connection. So I'm in that journey right now, as in terms of life is a journey for everyone, and for myself, I think working out, uh, putting your putting at least some minutes or hours a day, or probably in a week, if you can like schedule of maybe 4 days a week or something like that, depending. I mean, let us just start doing it, and then you know you work on it, you automatically get that pull towards doing that again and again, and then yes, then you can work yourself, and you can always strive for a better stage. So this is just a reminder, a small reminder. I remember long, maybe 2-3 years back, I had made a videos of similar kind where I had
kind of it was kind of a promise. Well, yeah, promise that I would be trying my level best to find time for workout. I still do, and although I'm not regular at it, but I will have to. One new thing, or rather something that I'm discovering more and more, is the diet part of the diet, the food, the diet part of it. Now that I have time and I see a lot of videos, I consume a lot of media about food and all that can help you with your well-being. So like that can kind of help me for, I mean, diet is one of the main aspects of your body to be fit. That is what I'm learning. So yeah, I'll be focusing more on my diet. I am primarily a vegetarian because non-veg I consume like man. Uh, okay, my dad, he's like a pescatarian. He will not even consume onion and garlic. Forget about non-veg and all, man. My mom, yeah, she would consume chicken. She likes chicken, eggs, not red meat. Fish is something that is, again, like it's, I mean, being from a Bengali background, yeah, but again, it's a very rare thing. I mean, I think 2020, I don't even recall we had prepared fish, and it's April 16. So yeah, yeah, eggs. Okay, so my diet is mostly I consume eggs. I love eggs, man. That's a thing that I cannot, like, I get confused that अगर अंडा खाना बंद किया, if I stop having eggs, what the hell will I do, man? I mean, it's like my primary source of protein, I would say. I would consume, uh, I consume eggs, man. I consume eggs. I don't have a particular count. Maybe 1 or 2 eggs a day, or sometimes 3 or 4. I don't know, man. But mostly, yeah, somewhere nearing 1 or 2 eggs. Saturdays I try to avoid because Hanumanji, but otherwise I consume eggs. And mostly, as I said, I'm primarily a vegetarian. It's mostly dal, sabzi, uh, rice. I love rice. I know that rice is not something good. The white rice is not something good. People would like go for the brown rice. I'm more into rice. I love dal, man. Like, give me dal 365 days a year, 2 times a day. I will consume it any freaking time. I like chola dal. Chola dal is what they say in Bengali. Chola dal, uh, moong dal. I like moong dal, man. That akha moong also I like. The green ones. The green ones. Akha moong. Oh man, I'm getting hungry. So I like dal, man. It has this, I mean, thick consistency with rice, and it gives you protein, and I love it. I'm so much into dal that I consume sometimes. I like raat ka dal agar bach gaya hai, so I will heat it up in the morning and have it with brown bread, or probably I'll just mix it with oats and have it. I love dal, man. I love dal and eggs. So that's my main primary source of protein. So yeah, I will have to look more into the diet thing, and let's see how it works out. And yeah, man, pump up, keep the hard work going, baby. Let the world, no, not the let the world be at your feet, but go, man, go distance, go long distance, win the world, baby. Keep fighting, baby. Yo, 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 yeah. Rock on, baby. That's out. That's out. No, that's not out. That's it. Over and out. Woo! Sylvester Stallone and Bruce Lee. Yeah, man. How could I forget? Yeah, bye. Oh,